Good morning, students. So today we are going to start the second chapter of history, that is in the earliest cities. So before we start the chapter, let's go to a digital tour of the world. Here we'll see the various river valley civilizations which developed on the various parts of the world. Here you can see Egyptian civilization which developed on the bank of river Nile. Mesopotamian civilization developed on the bank of river Tigris and Euphrates. Chinese civilization developed on the bank of Huanghe, which is also known as Yellow River. Similarly, our Indus Valley civilization developed on the bank of river Indus and its tributaries. So, in this lesson, we are going to read about the first cities which developed in India on the bank of river Indus and its tributaries about 4,700 years ago. So, discovery of the Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization, which discovered about 3000 BC and continued up to 1500 BC, disappeared, vanished due to its decline, and we were unaware about the fact till it was discovered by Dayaram Sahani. It was discovered in the year 1826 while British government was laying down the railway lines in India. However, it was excavated in the year 1920 and 21. So, Harappa was the first site to be discovered by Dayaram Sahani. Another important site to be discovered was by R.D. Banerjee in the year 1922, known as Mohenjo-daro. Name and the extent of the civilization. The earliest cities which developed on the bank of river Indus is better known as Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization. So here you can see most of the parts of this civilization or the earliest civilization developed on the bank of Indus Valley. So it is known as Indus Valley civilization too. The last map you can also see the other important sites of the Indus Valley civilization. Now, why this great civilization is known as Indus Valley? Because most of the sites discovered were located on the bank of river Indus and its tributaries. It is also known as Harappan civilization because Harappa was the first site and the foremost site, most important site to be discovered on the bank of river Indus. Some other important sites of the civilization were Harappa in Punjab, Mohenjo-daro in Sindh, Dholavira in Gujarat, Lothar in Gujarat, Ropar in Haryana, Kalibangan in Rajasthan. So these were some of the other sites of the Indus Valley civilization or the earliest cities. Now we will be studying about the chief features of the Harappan culture. The most important feature of the Harappan culture was the town planning. Harappan towns were divided into two main parts, the citadel and the lower town. So now let's study about some of the important features of these two parts. Here you can see citadel. How it looks like? It look like little high raised land. Yes, it is so. It was made little upraised ground and all the important buildings were located here to escape the devastation or devastation of the flood. So here are the some important features of the citadel and as well as the lower town. Citadel. Generally, citadel was located in the western side of the town, while lower town was located in the eastern side. Citadel was higher but smaller. Lower town was larger. All important buildings were located in the citadel, while the lower town was the residential area. Here you can see a map of the citadel and the lower town of Harappa, which was excavated in the site of Harappa. Now some of the important structure of the earliest cities. Citadel, great tank, that is the swimming pool of present day, was one of the important structure found in citadel. Fire altar, assembly hall, warehouse were some of the important structure located in the citadel, that is the upper part of the town. Lower town, as you know, lower town was a residential area. Houses were the special feature of the lower town. The drain or the drainage system, the streets, wells and the dockyard, these were the important features of the lower house. Now both the upper town and the lower town were enclosed by walls made of baked bricks in interlocking pattern, which was made so to make the wall very strong and last long for thousands of years. So here you can see how the burnt bricks were made. Is not these are similar, much similar of the present day baking of bricks? And the interlocking pattern, when the walls are made interlocking pattern, it became more stronger. So all this tell about the high architectural skill of the Indus Valley civilization. So that's all for today's class, and we'll be meeting again tomorrow. Thank you.